Well, hello everyone. Quick video today. Out of 110 million Americans that are currently paying rent, so out of 110 million Americans that are currently paying rent, 1 out of 5 out of that 110 million are out in the streets as I'm recording this video. Stimulus checks did not come in. People got thrown out of their apartments, homes that are renting. They cannot afford it. This is going to get a lot worse once the government completely stops sending all these extra, stimulus checks, $600 per person, etc., etc. It's going to be probably some food stamps here and there, and that's about it. If you don't have money for rent, you're going to get kicked out. You're going to get kicked out in Republican state. You're going to get kicked out in liberal-run states. Good luck for all of you who think there is such thing as free lunch. So I am back, the new American conservative. Yes, I got more important info. Not too many of you can stomach. This is a big problem, what I just said. I will post the link down below so you guys can look at it yourself. Besides that, I will just real quick tell you one more time that I've been warning about this on Parler way before it happened. I've been warning about financial tsunami that's coming to America. It had nothing to do with Corona. Corona was a pin that pricked the already existing bubble. Okay? Now it just popped and everything and everyone got exposed. All these companies went belly up 2 weeks after Corona lockdown happened back in March going into April. People were freaking out. They did not have any savings for rainy days for 2 weeks even. Everything was exposed. And now the politicians are going to continue blaming Corona on everything while my rights are continue to get stripped before our eyes. This is just nothing but Patriot Act on steroids. A lot of you heard of Patriot Act. What happened when 9/11 hit? It was supposed to be for your own protection, and then your rights are slowly but surely being taken away. And right now, under COVID, it's not slowly but surely. It is fast, in your face, and nobody can do anything about it. Besides preparing and not trusting anyone. Don't trust me, do your own research, do your own due diligence. I get that, but don't be complacent. It's not time for that, okay? So Corona was a pin that pricked the already existing bubble. We were gonna be in a major world of hurt no matter what. It was just a matter of time, okay? Just like the DXY, the dollar index, is about to take a huge hit. It might last till election, I don't know, but that means your purchasing power. If you have nice savings, if you have your 401k, whatever it is, you see that 401k go up. It does not go up as fast as the dollar goes down, and that's what money printing is. And right now the Fed Reserve is printing $1 trillion per month, okay? If you spend every second, $1. It could be every minute, I might be wrong, but you get the idea. For the next 36,000 years, you would spend $1 trillion. This is money debasement / devaluation 101 that you are witnessing right now. So you got to prepare. If you have some money, you got to buy a little bit of gold, a little bit of silver, a little bit of platinum, whatever, palladium, whatever you think it's better choice. They're called precious metals for a reason. You don't want to find out why they're called precious metals while crying because you did not listen what I'm telling you. You want to find out when you are sitting pretty and you are on the right side of this trade. So if you have, this is again my opinion, you don't have to do what I'm telling you, and I'm not telling you what to do. I'm telling you what I'm doing, and I'm giving you suggestions. If you have I don't know, let's say $2,500 to your name, buy at least $400 worth of physical silver. You can get roughly 20 ounces. Put it somewhere in a safe place. Leave it in a private bank or at your own home or at your cousin in Nebraska. You get what I'm saying? and make sure you hedge off against the dollar, because the dollar is betting against you. You got to do it. This is really bad what's going on. If you need to make some quick cash, I also do some stock picks. I don't suggest you to do this unless you have, if you can stomach it, because this is a crazy time we're living in. But if you watch my previous videos, you're going to see the stocks I've been picking were doing exactly what I was saying. And if you exited out, you could have had nice profits right now. So I will keep you guys posted with my picks for Monday. I will do my video around between 1 and 2 o'clock Eastern, because I want to see what the market does for about at least 3 hours before I make my moves, so I can gauge it and find that sweet spot. For instance, a dollar stock it opens at $1, it goes to, let's say, 120, 110, drops to 80 or 90, goes back up to 120. I find a nice little middle and I buy a whole bunch of these shares. And these profits can be $300, $400, $500 within 10 minutes a day. It can be 30, 40 bucks, depending how many shares you bought. You get the idea. But you can get in and get out pretty quickly and make some profits. And then I use 20 or 30% of that into precious metals. Precious. Did I say that right? Precious. All right. Take care, guys. God bless you, and we'll talk Monday between 1 and 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Take care.